should, could, would. What's the difference between all of the three? It's very quick video and very easy to make you understand. We use should for advice, we use could for possibility, and we use would for imaginary or for unreal things. How like? Just simple examples. It could rain today. He could come to see you today. This is the examples of the could, which is used for possibility. Now there is should. You should stay here tonight. You should stop exercising anymore. These two examples for the should, which is for advice. Now there is would. I would buy a car if I had money. I would travel worldwide if I had possibilities or if I had means to do so. So this is the difference between these three.